Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to add your stepbrother to your family members on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook and log into your account. Step 2. Locate your profile photo at the top right corner and click on it to access your profile. Step 3. Once on your profile page, click on the About section. Step 4. In the Family and Relationships tab, look for the Add Family Member option under Family Members and click on it. Step 5. Enter the account name of your stepbrother in the provided field. Step 6. From the drop-down menu, select Stepbrother as the relationship. Step 7. Finally, click on the Save button. By following these simple steps, you can easily add your stepbrother to your family members on Facebook using your PC. Strengthen your online presence and stay connected with your blended family. Enjoy sharing special moments and memories with your loved ones.